Hello friends, finally I booked losses today. This is the good news that I want to share because I think from last uh, 10 I think yeah last 10 days I was not in loss, but this is the beauty of market. Market will make you feel that you are not the boss. You can be wrong, and that should be also. And You cannot be right each and every time, and yes, you can be right most of the time, and that is the only thing that will work out, and that will make you in green over the period of time. So I will share you today some interesting concept. I was also got trapped, so that also I will share you with you today. So let's start the today's video. So as usual, there are three stocks that I have selected: Tata Consumer, AU Bank, and NAM India. So one more thing I want to share you. One more good thing that has happened with me today. Actually, I have taken two trade, and I booked loss in both of them. And again, I was also considering to trade in NAM India, but after having a close eye on the market movement today, I just avoided taking the next trade. So that was also a good thing because that trade may have given me one more loss. So that is the good thing that happened today with me. So let's start the video. So Tata Consumer, AU Bank, and NAM India. These are the three stocks that I have picked for intraday trading for today. So let's start with Tata Consumer. Tata Consumer. Yesterday evening when I was scanning the stocks, I got a very good symmetrical triangle pattern as I have already drawn the pattern. So I was very excited to trade this pattern because most of the time this pattern will be profitable. So in the morning I was waiting eagerly to break out either in upward or movement or downtrend. So market was in green. So expected movement in this stock was it will continue its uptrend. And in the very first candle it has also shown the same thing. See here 9:15 candle. A very nice and long shadow hammer was found. Okay. So instead of hammer it should be Maruboju. Then it will be a confirm signal. But considering the current market trend, I analyzed this as a confirmed breakout and this red candle as a retest. So I entered when this red candle 9:30 red candle was formed by keeping the loss below the first candle, that is 9:15. So after waiting for next 1 hour, it has given me a nice breakdown on 10:55 candle. So it was a very cleverly trapped most of the retail buyers over here that actually make the big players in profit. For today, I'm in loss in Tata Consumers. So this is one of the classical false breakout of any chart pattern, which you see rarely on a live market. So this is the thing I want to share you. Next time, whenever I will uh, I will get this kind of breakout, I will make sure that the breakout candle must be supported by two consecutive candles, or that breakout candle must be either Maruboju with a heavy volume more than previous 100 bar volumes. So this is the filter that I will use in the next time, and also uh, try to told you the people those who watch my video regularly that these kind of false breakout you will see in the market, and even if a best trader can be trapped over here. So this is the thing that I want to share you. So let's start the normal video. So reason behind selecting this stock was this pattern that was formed, and dominant pressure from last few days is it is quite a buying, because you can see clearly W pattern was formed. So W pattern at the bottom means dominant pressure is shifting to buying, and then this triangle pattern was formed. That means the expected or a follow through action will be in upward directions. So these are the reasons why I have selected this stock. But the beauty of the market will make me have made me a loss, so that I have accepted, and it happens. It must be there in the life, because the loss will tell you or will teach you the thing that you should know. So loss is a welcome thing to in every life. This is about Tata Consumer. Conclusion is that I have made loss in this. And next stock is AU Bank. Okay. So again, in AU Bank, reason for selection is dominant pressure, strong build-up, and a follow-through action is complete Maruboju, and follow-through action is supported by the market in upward trend, in upward movement. So when the price retraced in this zone, a very nice morning star was formed. So I taken my trade over here in this particular. Let me circle it out. Yes, this is the place. This is the for me this is a morning star, and that is also coming in this 5 minute candle. So I have taken trade in this, and after some time price reversed and I booked loss, and uh, never entered in this stock again, because after having a good breakout, if this kind of thing happen, then it is better to keep yourself away from trading these stocks. And again, if you can clearly see the pressure, buyers are still there at this level, because many lower shadow bars are formed. So that are confirmation that buyers are still there in this area. So this is the reason why uh, I have traded this stock. And analysis is that the follow through action, retest, entered, and again this is stock reversed in my opposite direction and made me loss. Conclusion for this is that I made loss in AU Bank. And let me move to NAM India. Okay, so again, NAM India selection, reason for selection this stock, selecting this stock is dominant pressure is buying, that is clearly visible. Build-up was formed, strong build-up and lengthy build-up, so it was formed, and the breakout is supported by the current market trend. So three confirmations. So confidently we can trade, but the first candle was quite large, but still it was a tradable when in my approach. But as I already booked loss in these two stocks, so I was very conservative while going for a trade in this stock, and that was the good decision that I have taken. So I have avoided one more loss that will make me eventually in profit. In either way, I will it will be a profitable trade. So this is the today's trading. The lesson from today's trading that I have taken is that false breakout, this can happen with anyone, and there are some important points that we should take or we should consider while considering a breakout. So actually, in standard procedure, when you are going to trade a breakout, so you should trade on a retest that I have done today. But if you can see, the retest must be above the VBAC. that is volume weighted average price. So in the morning I have not put VWAP in this chart, and because of that, uh, it was actually I was unable to make decision that this is not a correction, this is a false breakout. So it was my mistake that I have not taken VWAP in my chart, and because of that I was unable to filter out the false breakout. So next time whenever you trade or anyone trade, please make sure that this kind of filter you need to put on your chart to make that your signal or your breakout confirmation make sure. So this is the thing that we have learned today. So this is all about today's trading. Thank you, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe if you find this video or my analysis good or helping you to learn the price action. So please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, guys. Bye.